Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to brighten a dark video in CapCut. So, if your footage looks too dark or difficult to see, there are a couple of easy adjustments you can use to make it much brighter. First, select your video clip in the timeline. Then, go to the top right side of CapCut and click Adjust. Next, select Curves. Here, you can adjust the brightness levels of your video. Start by clicking around the lower quarter of the curve and drag it slightly upward. Then, add another point around the middle of the curve and move that upward as well. Finally, add one more point around the upper quarter and raise it slightly. You can adjust these points until your video looks bright enough without making it look washed out. Once you've finished with the curves, click the Basic tab. Scroll down to the Light Adjustment settings. Here, you can increase the exposure to brighten the overall image. You can also raise the highlights if you want the brighter areas of the video to stand out more. And if the darker parts of your footage are still difficult to see, increase the shadows. There isn't one perfect value that works for every video, so adjust each setting until the footage looks natural. As you can see, the video now looks much brighter and easier to see. And that's how to brighten a dark video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.